Tom from Tom's Toons here. I'm going in a little different direction than normal, actually completely out of the boat industry for this project. I'm going to do my best to weld up a plow to a quick connect attachment for my tractor. It's Black Friday. I can't really work, but I had to come in and get something accomplished today. Maybe I'll change the lower unit gear lube on a motor while I'm here. We'll see. Here's what I've got. I've got a plow kit for ATV. It's just off of Amazon. I think it was just under 300 bucks. And then I've got a 1/4-inch thick plate, a quick connect for my tractor. It's just got the quick connect arms on each side. This was 100 bucks or less, I think, off of Amazon too. All I'm doing with it is pushing. I'm not lifting, so I went with the 1/4-inch, but there are thicker options available. That's what I'm working with. I'm gonna stick weld everything. It's pretty robust steel. Follow along, see how it turns out. Hopefully I'll be plowing snow this afternoon with it because we just got dumped on like 6 to 8 inches of lake effect snow where we are here in West Michigan. Got all the welding done. Ended up tying a strap instead of the chain that you normally have there or an ATV winch. I won't need that because I can lower it with the arms of the tractor. Put these gussets in here and then full welded top and bottom that plate. Seems really sturdy. I guess the only thing now to do, take it out, give it a test run. We just have a little, Corey calls it a lawnmower. Right now
I call it a glorified lawnmower.
Right now it's in tractor mode because I took the mower deck off. But it's just a 24 horse, 2420. We're gonna hook up a quick connect and see how this goes. This plow, it's a 50-inch. The link will be in the description of the video for this particular plow kit, but we can rotate it, so better, and that's one angle out. So we'll give it a go there and see what happens. I've got links also in the description for welders. Yes, Welder is one of the brands that we weld with a lot. I've got discount codes in there, so check that out, because they sell a great little TIG 200 machine that's capable of stick welding just like I did on this, but can also TIG weld AC aluminum too. So those hobby guys at home want to weld, learn how to weld aluminum, great machine to do that with. I'm going to get to plowing, test this out, see how it goes.
Bubba, did you find a ball?
I would call that 100 times more successful than plowing it with the bucket like I did all last year. I'm going to go ahead, finish up the driveway, and then get inside and warm up. Thank you for watching. I know this is different than the boating stuff we usually do, but it's fun. It's welding related. Thought you might enjoy it.